find that tuning clinic is bring people offline from time to time and do some things together in person, because as amazing as the online environment, has proven to be, like, there are some things that are difficult to do on the internet. What are the fundamental skills required to ride a bike? Balance. So, how long does it take to learn balance? It takes as long as it takes, right? It's not a thing. It's a skill that has to be learned, right? The balance is a function of being able to ride a bike, right? It's a fundamental skill that's required, and a fundamental skill is something that there are things we can explain, there are tips that can be given, but ultimately it's a skill that has to be learned, right? How many people here in this room have said out loud, and you should be embarrassed about this, but I won't tell anyone, have said out loud to somebody else, "Oh, I just don't think I have the ear for tuning"? How many people have ever said that? And if you haven't said it, how many people have agreed with someone who has said that to you? Okay? Pretty much everybody, right? How many people think that one of the major factors in me being able to tune my pipes really well has to do with God-given talent? Right? Yeah, a few people? Maybe. That's total bullcrap. And just remember, that's coming from a group of people who can all ride a bike, right? We all somehow learned that fundamental skill of balance enough so that we could ride a bike. Bagpipe is leaking air, okay? If your bag is leaking a little bit, if your joints are leaking a little bit, if your reed seats are leaking a little bit, and your drone reeds are slightly not calibrated well, you're gonna miss the tuning target by a mile. Is my 10 going to tune by low A? And the typical response is, "Yep, I think I nailed it today." Okay? Even if that's what you think, what do? You have to test it anyway.